Hi everyone, thank you for watching another video on my channel. In this video we're gonna find out how to reply with a GIF to someone else's post. So first of all, let's hop onto Instagram. So first what we need to do is to find a post where we want to reply with a GIF. So let's, for example, take this photo. I like it. I'm going to the comment section over here. Click on it, and what you want to see is somewhere here. Now you'll see all emoticons, and what you want to see is GIF, the word GIF. So as you can see, I don't have this option, so we're gonna make sure I'm gonna get this option right now. So we're gonna back. All we're gonna do is we're going to our own profile, right bottom, and then we're going to the green over to the three lines. You go. And then you go to settings, and then you go to help. After that, you go for the first option, report a problem, and then you click on report a problem, and then on include and continue. So here you need to briefly explain what happened or what isn't working. So I'm missing the GIF option when I want to comment. Please fix. So this is enough, and then you hit send. So you can see, thank you, your feedback helps makes Instagram better. So what you need to do now is wait around 2 to 3 business days. Sometimes it's 4, but most of the time you just have to wait 2 business days. So that means in 2 days I will have the option to comment with a GIF. I hope this helps for you, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Hi everyone.